sharing is done. All right, who can raise their hand and share how they made 25 cents? How did you make 25 cents?
I used 1, 2, 3. I used 1.
What coin did you use?
1, 2, 3, 4 quarters.
Okay, can I borrow that?
Yes.
How much is the value of a quarter?
It's 25 cents.
So did you make 25 cents?
Yes.
Yes, you did. It was so easy. You thought you had to do something harder. So tell me your name again.
My name?
Mm-hmm.
Edward.
Edward. So Edward used a quarter to make 25 cents.
4 quarters.
Is there another way that we can make 25 cents? That's one way. Is there another way? How about for you and that? You haven't had a chance yet. No, just share out there from that.
I don't have enough
It's not your turn. You already had a chance.
I don't have enough quarters. Huh?
What's on your board?
4 quarters is a dollar. A nickel, 5 quarters equals a
You
dollar.
used a nickel,
No, 4.
5 pennies. And a dime. Is that 25 cents? How do you know? How did you count that to figure out that that was 25 cents? You guys, is she right? And if so, how do you know? You're looking at your work and you're noticing something, aren't you? And so you're doing something that mathematicians always do. After they have an idea, they look at it really carefully, they analyze it, and that's what you're doing right now. You're analyzing it. And are you thinking you want to revise it? What would you like to do? You want to add a nickel to it? All right. So I'll put it in a different color because that shows how you revise it. So now what are you thinking?
I'm thinking that 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 5.
So you want to add these two up together, and you said that that's 10? And then you said 10 and 10 is what? 20. And then you're adding the pennies. So count with me, you guys. Let's see. 20, 21, 22. Is that 25 cents?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing. Is there another way to make 25 cents? Is there a different way? What about you? How did you represent 25 cents?
I did 5 pennies.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Four nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 2 dimes.
Whoa! I mean 1 dime.
And 1 dime? Not 2? Okay. So did I say that right? 5 pennies, 4 nickels, and 1 dime? And you're saying that's 25 cents? All right, ready? Let's count it and let's verify. You ready? Here we go. Let's start with the biggest value. That's where I usually start with money. You ready? So 10. What's 10 plus 5?
15.
So we have 15.
20, 25, 30, 35.
Is that 5 more? We have 30 here. Is 30 plus 1 going to give us 35?
No, 31.
Well, so let's start over again. You ready? Here we go. 10,
15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
So what's the total value of the coins here?
35.
35. So what are you thinking? Do you want to leave it like that? Does that show us 25? No. Would you like to revise it? Yeah, that's what mathematicians do all the time, so no problem. So how could you revise this to show 25 cents? Take away the pennies? Okay. All of them? Yes? All right, shall we count again? Let's count again. You ready, mathematicians? Here we go.
10, 20, 15.
What's 10 and 5?
15.
Okay, 15.
20, 25, 30.
So now we have 30 cents that represent 25 cents? No. Do you want to leave it like that? Take away a nickel? Okay, like that? Okay. You ready to try it? Let's count again. You ready, class? Here we go.
10, 15, 20, 25.
Does that represent 25 cents? Do you want to leave it like that? What do you guys think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Oh, you two ladies just taught us a really important lesson. Is that we have an idea, we try it out, we analyze it really carefully, and if we notice something's wrong, we can always revise it, right?